Welcome to Sharad V More English School online lecture. So student, now we have to start the practice set 3.2, and before starting the 3.2 we have to understand the meaning of the nth term. Okay, because in practice set 3.2 we have to use the formula Tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close into d. So here Tn is equals to a plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket close d. This includes the Tn. Tn means nth term, and a is the first term, and n minus 1, here n is the number of terms minus 1 and d is the common difference. So here first we have to understand what is the nth term. So let's start with the n examples given on page number 62. ओके, पेज नंबर 62 से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि क्या है nth टर्म एंड व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस फार्मूला, इसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्यों है, ओके, क्यों ये जरूरी है. ओके, लेट्स सी द यस फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. ओके, इन द nth term of an AP, now see the sequence 5 8 11 14. Okay, the difference between two consecutive terms is 3 here, because 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, 8 plus 3 is equals to 11, 11 plus 3 is equals to 14. So therefore this sequence is in AP. Now here only 4 terms are given. Okay, here the first term is 5. If 3 is added to 5 we get the second term. Similarly, to find 100 term, what should be done? So now here, if you want to find out the 100 term, for this is an AP. Now ये sequence 5 comma 8 comma 11 comma 14. Okay, this is an AP. Okay, ये एक AP है, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है. अब अगर हम लोगों को यस T1 ऑलरेडी क्या है, यस T1 5 है. नाउ T2 8, T3 is equals to 11, T4 is equals to 14. Now if we want to find out the number which present at the 50th position, ओके, पोजीशन नंबर 50, कि अगर 50th पोजीशन पे कोई नंबर हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है तो मीन्स क्या है, T50. ओके, तो दिस कैन बी फाउंड आउट एज T1 5, T2 8, T3 11, T4 14. Now T5 is equals to T4 plus, okay, 3 is equals to 14 plus 3 is equals to 17. Now T6, okay, if you want to find out the T6, so here what you will do, T5 plus 3 is equals to 17 plus 3 is equals to 20. Now T7, okay, T6 plus 3 is equals to 20 plus 3 is equals to 23. Now T8 is equals to T7 plus 3, okay, and this is equals to 23 plus 3 is equals to 26, so on. Okay, तो इन दिस वे हम लोग क्या कहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे, T50 तक. ओके, तो हियर T50 फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, बहुत ही यस क्या है, स्टेप्स, बहुत सारे स्टेप फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे. एंड इट दिस ओवरऑल प्रोसेस विल बी यस मच टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा. तो टू ओवरकम दिस डिफिकल्टी वन फार्मूला इज मेड, एक फार्मूला बनाया गया. इन दैट Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d, and this is called as the nth term. Okay, जो ये Tn है, this is called as the nth term. So for given a sequence or for a given AP, okay, if you want to find out any number at the yes largest position like 10th position, 15th position, so what will be that number? To find out that number, this formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 bracket close d is used. Okay, so by using this formula we can find out any terms present in AP. So this is nothing but the nth term of that AP, and this Tn is different for the each and every AP आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सॉल्यूशन के बाद में क्या होगा, Tn हर एक के लिए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होगा. नाउ यस रिलेट दिस, हाउ दिस फॉर्मूला इज डेराइव्ड. नाउ सी, यस ऑन द left hand side what is written, T8 is written, and on the right hand side what is written, T7 is written. Okay, plus 3 is equals to. Okay, so here what we are observing, at place of the S8 we have taken as n. What we have taken here, for the this number we have taken n. Now here this is less than 1. ओके, ये क्या है, एक से कम है, उससे उसके कंपेयर में क्या है, एक कम है ना. यस, ये T7 T8 तो ये T7, ये T7 तो ये T6, and here T6 is to here T5, and here T4 T5 तो here T4. so here this side, here we have taken n. So here one digit is less than the this digit, so here we can write down as a t n minus 1. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, एक कम plus d. Yes, what is 3 here, here 3 is the common difference. ये क्या है, common difference है. समझ में आई रही की बात नहीं है, ये प्लस डी, तो डी क्या है, ये Tn इज इक्वल टू n minus 1 plus d. ऐसा भी हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं इसको. ओके, तो नाउ यस डी, Tn is equals to T n minus 1 plus D. ये रिलेशन क्या है, इस टर्म्स के बिटवीन प्रेजेंट है. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. ओके, अगर हम लोग इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखते देन, ओके, T5 कैन आल्सो बी फाउंड आउट, T4 plus D. Okay, so how many D's are added? Now yes, in T2 1 D is added, in T3 2 D is added, in T4 3 added, and here okay 4D. If we write A here, क्या लिखेंगे, A लिखेंगे तो T5 is equals to A plus 4D. In this way also we can write down to find out the T5. Okay, ऐसा भी लिख सकते A plus 4D in this form. Okay, now yes, let's see the examples देखेंगे अभी हम लोग. Okay, so yes, now see how this formula is derived. This derivation is not asked in the exam, but you have to understand how this formula is formed. So now see, for this AP, now yes, T1 as taken as A, T2 is equals to T1 plus D. This can also be written as A plus D. इसके किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, A plus D के फॉर्म में, and this is equals to A plus, now this D. Okay, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, 1 into D is equals to 1D. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, yes, यहाँ पे भी same things will come, means if you subtract 2 minus 1 you will get the 1 into D, so here you will get 1D. so now A plus 2 minus 1D is nothing but A plus D. Okay, now yes, T3 you can find out as T2 plus D. Okay, now yes, here T2, what is T2 here, T2 is nothing but A plus D. So here what we have written, at place of the T2 we have written A plus D. Again to find out the T3 we have to add the D. So now this is equals to A plus 2D. So now this 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1D. Okay, so now here 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, so here what you will get, A plus 2D. So now A plus 2D is written in this form, A plus 3 minus 1D. So now here there is a third term, and in the bracket also there is 3. Now yes, 3 minus 1. It's clear. So now yes, term 3. So in bracket, okay, what you will get, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So these two things are the same but written in the different way. Now to find out the T4, there is T3 plus D. So therefore, yes, now T3, what is the T3 here? T3 is nothing but A plus 2D. So here A plus 2D is written. Now yes, common difference is added to get the T4. So here A plus 3D. Now 3D is written as 4 minus 1 in bracket, and yes, bracket close, 9 into D. So now 4 minus 1 is nothing but the 3. 3 into D is 3D. So these two steps are same, but yes, written in the different way. Now at place of the 4, now we have taken the n. Now here at place of the 3, this is less than 4 by 1. So therefore here it is written as n minus 1 into D, and this difference A, okay, is written as a. Understood? So now yes, this is the nth term of an AP. So this formula is used to find out any terms at any positions. कोई भी terms कोई भी position पे अगर हमको find out करना है, that time we use this formula. Okay, so here only position number we have to know, then using this formula, yes, we can find out any number. Let's see the question number 1 of the practice set 3.2. Okay, now see the first question. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Now here, yes, 1 comma 8 comma 15 comma 22. So now A, what is A here? First term is called as the A, or first term is called as the A. So now A is 1 here, therefore T1. T1 is nothing but A, therefore T1 is equals to 1. Now T2 is here 8, and T3 is 15. It's clear? Now T4 you can write down as 22. Okay, now see T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. So T2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. It's clear now. Next, T3 minus T2. Now T3 is 15. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Now here see the difference is same, 7, 7. So now therefore D is equals to 7. Okay, now see the second activity. Yes, the given AP. Okay, already it is mentioned that this sequence is an AP. Okay, here we have not to decide that it is an AP or not an AP. So now see the numbers in the AP: 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12. T1. T1 is the first term, and first term is 3 here. T2 is equals to 6. T3 is equals to 9. T4 is equals to 12. Now T2 minus T1. Okay, T2 is equals to 6. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Again T3 minus T2. T3 is equals to 9. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. Therefore D is equals to 3. Okay, understood? Now you see the third one. Now yes, here we are writing the T1 here. T1 is equals to minus 3. T2 is equals to minus 8. T3 is equals to minus 13. T4 is equals to minus 18. Okay. So here terms are written here and there. Now yes, you have to write down it properly. Now T2 minus T1. Okay. T2 minus T1. So now see what is the T2 here. T2 is minus 8. So now do the subtraction here. Now yes, T2 at place of the T2 you have to write down minus 8. Okay, and yes, minus T1. So what is the T1 here? Minus 3. Okay, put in the bracket. So what you will get here? Minus 8, and this minus minus will become plus on multiplication, because yes, the number which is present outside the bracket and inside the bracket have to be multiplied. So 3 1 ja 3, and minus minus become plus. So plus 3. Okay. So here minus 20, this will become plus 3. Now yes, plus 3 and minus 8 is equals to 5, but 8 is greater, and yes, before that there is a negative sign, that's why here in answer there will be negative sign. Okay, so T2 minus T1 is equals to therefore minus 5. Okay, now T3 minus T2. T3 is 13 minus again T2 is equals to minus 8. Again here minus 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8. Okay, plus minus minus means here we have to subtract. 13 minus 8 is equals to 5. Greater number is 13 and before that there is negative sign, that's why here we will get the minus 5. Understood, student? Now see what is the a here. A is minus 3 and D is minus 5. We already studied that the common difference D can be positive, can be negative और can be zero. ये तीनों हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव और जीरो हो सकता है. तो इन फर्स्ट वन we have seen there is a positive D, and in the second case there is a positive D, and in the third case there is a negative D. Now see the question number 4. 70, 60, 50, 40 and so on. Now T1. T1 is 70. T2 is 60. T3 is 50. Okay, so here what is A? So here you have to solve, okay, for finding the D, but A is equals to 70 here. Yes, how you will find out the D? D is equals to T2 minus T1. Now this is equals to T2 is equals to 60 minus T1 is equals to 70. Now yes, 1 plus and 1 minus present in the question. So here plus minus minus 70 minus 60 is equals to 10. Bigger number is 70 and before that there is negative sign, that's why answer will also carry the negative sign. So here D is equals to minus 10. Okay, student, understood this activity? ये activity समझ में आ गया कि how to fill these boxes. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of progression. Okay, so yes, decide the following sequence in AP. First, you have to decide that the given sequence is AP or not an AP. If it is AP, then you have to find out the 20th term of the progression. Means ये क्या है? T1 है, this is T2 है, this is T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. Okay, so now T8, T9, T10, T11, T12, T13, T14, T15, T16, T17, T18, T19 and then T20. So here we will not find the T8, T9, T10, T11. We have to find directly T20 by using the formula, that is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this formula we have to use to find out the 20th term of the given AP. Okay, student, now see the solution of it. Okay, let's solve the question number 2. Question number 2 देखेंगे अभी हम लोग. What is the question? First decide the given sequence is AP or not an AP, and then we have to find out the 20th term of the progression. Now yes, practice set 3.2, question number 2. Okay, yes, under that yes, minus 12 comma minus 5 comma 2 comma 9 comma 16 comma 23 comma 30. So now here we have to find out the difference to decide that given sequence is AP or not an AP. So here yes, let's write down the solution. Now T1 is equals to minus 12, T2 is equals to minus 5, T3 is equals to 2, T4 is equals to 9, T5 is equals to 16, T6 is equals to 23 and T7 is equals to 30. So here we have to find out the difference of all terms, because if any one of the term is not having the same difference, then that given sequence is not an AP. Now let's find out the difference. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. T2 is equals to minus 5 minus T1 is equals to minus 12. This is equals to minus 5, and this minus minus will become plus 12. Plus 12 and minus 5 is equals to 7 here. 12 is greater and it is positive. That's why here we will get the positive 7. Now T3 minus T2. T3 is equals to 2. 2 minus, and T2 is equals to minus 5. Now this 2 minus minus will become plus. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now yes, T4 minus T3. Okay, T4 is equals to 9. 9 minus, okay, 2 is equals to 7, and T5 minus T4 is equals to, T5 is equals to 16. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Now T6 minus T5. Okay, now T6 is 23. 23 minus 16 is equals to 7, and T7 minus T6 is equals to 30. 30 minus H23 is equals to 7. So here we have to find out the difference of all the terms present in the sequence, because if any one of the difference is not same to the other difference, then the given sequence will not be an AP. यहाँ पे क्या है, ये डिफरेंस हमको क्या करना है, जितने भी टर्म्स अवेलेबल है ऑल टर्म्स का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, बिकॉज अगर इसमें से एक का भी डिफरेंस क्या हुआ, डिफरेंट हुआ देन अदर्स, then the given sequence will not be an AP. So what we have seen here, the difference between the difference between each conjugative, the difference between each conjugative terms is constant, therefore the given sequence is an AP. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. And the common difference is, and D means common difference is 7 here. क्या दिख रहा है हम लोगों को, कॉमन डिफरेंस 7 दिख रहा है.